y'all gotta see this shit. So it's not my car, right? But this is what I woke up to this morning with the tow truck driver. See that shit? This motherfucking tow truck driver backed up. Oh, down our driveway and smashed my neighbor's car and 4 other cars. And then the motherfucker had the nerve to drive off. What a fucking dick. Yay. So I'm off to one of my favorite spots in the world. Pick and pull. Fucking right I am. I gotta go. And I gotta go get some parts from my Lexus. And since I have an ES300, the Lexus ES300 seems to be hard as fuck to find parts for. And there's only one pick and pull that has parts for my ES300. And I gotta drive at least a good fucking like 45 minutes to get to it. But I don't know if anybody else has a Lexus 300. It's a 2000, so it's pretty old, but it's pretty nice. So right now I'm having an issue with my steering where the steering doesn't want to turn correctly. Like, it wants to lock up as you're driving. And like, I gotta fix that. And I have my check engine lights on. See, check engine light is on. This car's got like all sorts of like warnings to tell you like what's going on with it. So I know what's wrong with the check engine light. It's gonna be, that is my mass airflow sensor, and I gotta get that fixed. So hopefully this car has a mass airflow sensor on it too. But back to the steering. So the main reason I'm going to this pick and pull is, so there's a bearing up here in the steering column. It's at the top behind the steering wheel. Well, that's going out. So I've been calling pick and pull for like fucking ever, trying to find these parts. And finally, pick and pull has one. Oh, the lighting sucks. Oh well. So yeah, I'm on my way out to pick and pull. Going to pick up my bro kip. Oh man, what the fuck? Fuck me. So I'm going to pick up my bro kip. I'm gonna drive out to Sherway, and then I'm gonna get my parts. So yeah, that's my plan for the day. Oh, then I'm gonna go to Best Buy and get me a computer editing program, and then, you know. Oh, is there a boom boom here too? Oh yeah, there is. Look at the boom boom. Boom boom. Damn, that car got fucked up. So yeah. Yep, that's gonna be my plan for today. That car got fucked up though. I mean, so I'm on my way right now to pick up Kip in a Lexus with the bad steering, but hopefully I get that fixed. Yay! I got my brother. Say hi to my camera. What up? What up? Yup. What'd you say? It's only 33 minutes away?
Yeah, 33.
So it's 33 minutes away, but we're gonna go play in a wrecking yard.
Oh, there it is right there.
Oh, I dropped my phone. I'm just stuck. I don't edit my videos anyways. Oh yeah, another thing wrong with this piece of shit is there's a weird ass rattle that I don't know what it is. Do you know what it is?
Not a clue.
Not a clue. Not a clue. Yep. Oh wait. Yeah, I need this thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need a camera mount, dash mount.
I know, so I just set it right
ourselves.
here so we can stare at ourselves the whole fucking trip, right? I got
Man,
that one.
Who's that sexy beast right there?
Look at that sexy guy. Okay, I'll put it back on when we get to the wrecking yard. Okay, so we got here. ES300. It's got the parts I need. There's the mass airflow sensor. Fuck yeah. And then we're gonna get the bearing. And whatever other pieces I need. And I guess I won't pocket them. I'll pay for them. Maybe. Kip is doing the work. I should be doing it.
Teamwork.
Teamwork?
I'll let you get the bearing.
Oh, I get the hard part. The struggles. No, you're just stripping it out.
It's too much of an angle.
That one's
that one's
broke.
not even connected.
Now we have to get the airbag off so we can get that center bolt out to steer to turn the steering or to get the steering wheel off.
The airbag is just little bolts right here. Give me a little tiny wrench.
How big?
Like this. This is small.
12?
No, that's way big. Let's see. Yeah, it needs to be like half that size.
Fuck. When I take my steering wheel off, let's not try to have this happen. Fuck. Hey, man. The fuck is that? Is there a bearing there?
Yeah. Guess I don't need such a big screwdriver, huh? Gotta get that fucking thing off your own pliers.
I don't. Oh, the clip?
Yeah.
Use a flathead. Look at this shit. Fucking dumbass tow truck driver. So drop Kip off and now I'm at home. So now that I'm thinking of it, and we're looking at that steering column on the Lexus, I now don't think that it's the bearing. I think it is going to be my power steering pump. So I will be fixing that and see if it fixed the issue. Hopefully it fucking does. If it don't, I'll just trade that piece of shit in. I gotta add it into my video because, you know, all my other videos have it in it too. Here's my fish tank. And then in tomorrow's video, or you know, whenever the next video, I'll be showing a video of a teardown and a complete move of a tank from one room to another. So, and tomorrow I'm gonna go look at a bug shell, go get some couches. So I think I'm gonna put that on my video too. So hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Thanks. I'm out.